Hi, this is Isabella, the first Polish affluencer. Today we will talk about breakups. If you are in this difficult moment, I will try to help at least a little bit. Yes, just a little. Left you? Did you leave him? Are you in a relationship with no future? Well, let's be honest. The more intense the relationship was, the longer the recovery period awaits you. And you can't get it out of your mind. Your moments will come back to you like waves. Fortunately, with time, with less and less intensity. The pain you are experiencing is normal, human, and you are not the first and not the last to go through it. However, for the next weeks, months, you will have to function with this pain. Arrange coexistence with it in your head. The simplest advice on how to quickly get back to normal is a suggestion to throw away everything that connected you with him. Delete numbers, cut off all contacts. Sometimes, this is of course impossible. Either way, limit contact with anything that reminds you of him, including him. However, this pain can be turned into something positive. Let it become the fuel for changes in your life. These changes do not have to be spectacular. Are you overweight? Drop excess pounds. Don't have a driver's license? Make them. You smoke? Drop them. You want to break out of your environment? Do it. Do anything for your health, appearance, development. This is the moment. You are strong. You can do it. You will be reborn more than once, like a phoenix from the ashes. And now, how would you like to cry? Cry. How do you want to curse? Swear. When emotions take over, throw them out. And finally, I have a little request for you. If you can, support the work of the first Polish affluencer with a sub, paw up, comment. Let me know you are